What are the main
method
basis
of
of classification of map projections? What on what parameters, on what basis we do classify map projections rather? Yes. Yes, telling something. Yes, आप कुछ बता रहे थे. Yes. Yes. किन बेसिस पे हम मैप प्रोजेक्शन को क्लासिफाई करते हैं? यस आमिर. यस. You can hear me? We talked about what are map projection. What is map projection? Yes.
सर 3 डायमेंशन
What
और
are
2 डायमेंशन में पेपर दिखाते हैं सर.
to convert the three-dimensional globe or Earth to two-dimensional surface? These are techniques, basically mathematical techniques. It started as projection techniques. That's why it's called the map projection. So, क्या basis हैं? What are the main basis on which we classify map projection?
सर एक तो ये बेसिस हो सकता है कि सर हम किस मेथड से सर कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं, जैसे कि सिलेंड्रिकल हो गया, कॉनिकल हो गया, जेनिथल हो गया. और सर एक कि हम अगर यूज ऑफ लाइट के उस पर कर सकते हैं, जैसे पर्सपेक्टिव हो गया, नॉन पर्सपेक्टिव हो गया.
एक तो लाइट सोर्स से कर सकते हैं. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद लाइट सोर्स. व्हाट आर द टाइप्स? यस.
सर पर्सपेक्टिव होता है, नॉन पर्सपेक्टिव होता है.
व्हाट इज पर्सपेक्टिव? कैन यू डिफाइन इट?
Yes, sir. The projection in which we use light as a source.
Light as a source. Then it is perspective.
Yes, sir.
And non-perspective?
सर वो होता है जिसमें मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन के बेस पर बनाते हैं.
Okay. So, and third is mathematical, purely mathematical. We are not assuming that we are throwing light on it. Okay, so this is one type: perspective, non-perspective, and mathematical. Another basis. Yes, another
मेथड ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शंस पे हम कर सकते हैं कि किस तरह से बनाते हैं उसको, जैसे कि सिलेंड्रिकल हो गया, कॉनिकल हो गया, जेनिथल हो गया.
Okay, cylindrical, conical and zenithal, but it has another name. This classification is based on developable and non-developable surface. So what is a developable surface and what is a non-developable surface?
डेवलपेबल सरफेस वो है कि जिसको हम इस पर हम ग्रेटिकल्स को ड्रा कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि हमने अगर
ड्रा कर सकते हैं, like cylinder, like cylinder. Yes. And yes, and developable and non, and the cone is a developable surface. You can unfold it.
Suppose जिसको हम unfold कर सकते हैं वो एक developable surface है.
Yes. This is the cylinder. Inside it is globe. The cylinder is touching at one point, as the case may be 1 or 2 points, standard parallels, and we can unfold it. After the drawing, we can unfold it. That is developable surface. Like any other type of developable surface? It is a cone.
Cone होता है और
yes. Cone, cylinder, and one is zenithal.
Yes, sir, zenithal.
Zenithal. In this, the surface touches at one point. Right?
Yes, sir. Applied touches.
If it touches on polar poles, it is polar. Then, if it touches on equator, it is equatorial zenithal. and if it is touches on any other standard parallel obliquely, then it is oblique. Okay. So and any other basis?
एक और बेसिस है शायद उसको
That
purpose
is
के
the
base पर-
position of light. First you had perspective, non-perspective. That was on the basis of drawing surface. That is position of light. These are mnemonic, stereographic, and orthographic. In mnemonic, yes, in mnemonic we have discussed it in the last class. Yes. In mnemonic. Yes. In mnemonic. Yes.
जो नोमोनिक होता है सर और फोटोग्राफिक होता है जिसमें
If we assume that the light is coming from
Light
another,
center पे
the
होगा,
opposite
mnemonic
pole, right? Yes, am I right or not? Yes.
yes sir
In mnemonic projection, we assume that light is coming from opposite pole.
no sir I think middle of the 20 से आती है सर
And then which is stereographic?
स्टीरियोग्राफी में शायद अपोजिट साइड से आती है
Right, you are
So
right.
the
Yes,
vertical.
yes, exactly. Okay. And orthographic?
पे सर इनफाइनाइट सोर्स से लाइट आती है
Infinite source से light आती है. Okay. And one other head is there to classify map projection is?
हम किस पर्पस के लिए सर कर रहे हैं जैसे कि अगर हमें ट्रू एरिया चाहिए ट्रू साइज
Right.
चाहिए सर उस बेसिस पे भी कर सकते हैं
Either we
Purpose to
want area to be preserved, or we want shape to be preserved, or we want direction to be preserved, or we
It's
want
multiple
distance to be preserved. Okay. Can you give one example of direction to be preserved? Any projection in which direction is to preserve? Yes. In Mercator's projection,
in Marcus projection the direction
or in zenithal projection also direction is preserved. So why we are preserving only direction or shape or area or distance? Can't we preserve all four of them? Yes. Can't we project all four of them? Yes. क्या हम सारे चारों को प्रिजर्व कर सकते या नहीं? यस.
सर आई थिंक पॉसिबल नहीं होना चाहिए
No, it's not possible because we are trying to draw a model of or to draw the 3D surface on 2D surface. Something will be distorted always because you cannot equate the 3D surface to 2D surface, right? समझ रहे हैं मेरी बात? जब 3D इमेज को आप 2D इमेज पे लाना चाहते हैं, 2D प्लेन पे लाएंगे तो कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. तो हम कैसे चूज करते हैं? This is the basis of choosing map projection. If we want to preserve the direction, then we will choose one projection. If we want to preserve area, then we will choose another projection. If we want to and why we want, depending on our purpose, depending on our work. Okay.
जो नोमोनिक प्रोजेक्शन होता है उसमें एरिया और साइज सर दोनों डिस्टॉर्ट होते हैं ना सर
देखिए area and size are a little distorted but because we are drawing one pole, then it is good for polar area.
सर आई थिंक